linear form of formula. Examples. If y equals to 15 minus x, find the values of y when x equals to 1, 4, 10, and 15. Solution. The first step is to write out the given formula. This given formula is linear because the power of the unknown is 1. Looking at x here, the x is the unknown here. Y is also unknown. X is unknown, y is also unknown. So this equation has two variables. And what are the two variables? This is a variable, this is another variable. Y is also a variable. This y is called the dependent variable, while the x is called the independent variable. And the highest power of y is 1. The highest power of x is also 1. So in this case, y equals to 15 minus x is a linear equation. Thank you. So, solving the problem, we can now substitute our values. X equals to 1. When x equals to 1, what will be the value of y? Y equals to what? 15 minus, anywhere we see x, we put 1. 15 minus 1 will give us what? 14. When x equals to 4, what will be the value of y? Y will be equals to what? We still go back to the formula. Anywhere we see x, we put 4. So we have 15 minus 4 equals to what? That will give us 11. Now, when x equals to 10, what will be the value of y? When x equals to 10. We still go back to the formula. Y equals to what? 15 minus 10. 15 minus 10 is what? 5. When x equals to 15, what will be the value of y? We still come back to the formula. Y equals to 15 minus what? What's the value of x? 15. What is 15 minus 15? That is 0. That is the solution to the problem. Thank you.